These are the used bullets from this bamboo gun. So how it works, there is like one of these stuck in here, like here, ready to be shooted when another one is loaded in, and then boom, and air in here makes, and air gets blocked by these bullets, so the other bullet has to go out like boom. And that's how Luthang or bamboo gun works. How it works is just here. Pick one of these wet paper, then curl it up into a ball, then insert it. Wait, it's stupid. Okay, like this. Here. Then you put it here. Then what you're gonna do is just like this. So it looks like it's flat. Then insert it. Oh, it's ready. And the huge bullet is here.